Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. I just want to do a quick review on a product that I bought. Um, there's a company called Shift Royal. They sell e-brake boots and shift boots. The Project Leopard uh, has an R31 boot and bezel, but the boot is leather and it's kind of ripping. So I was trying to find an alternative. I was thinking about going with the natural look of it again, but then I was like, super expensive because it was $200. And I just kind of like looked at options and I ran across Shift Royal on Instagram. And I went to their web store, looked at their designs, and I loved it. Prices are very affordable. I think this was about less than $60 for both. And they shipped it out pretty quick. I got it less than maybe just like maybe 2 days, 3 days. So I want to give a shout out to Shift Royal, and I actually went with the koi design. And of course, like I said, these are both pieces. I don't have the car here. It's at the SR20 store being rebuilt. Um, but I love the design. It's really cool. Um, yeah, this is the shift boot right here. I love the design. And I got a shifter in Japan that it's like an aquarium. So I actually love that. So this will kind of go good together. So quick shout out to Shift Royal. Check them out on Instagram at Shift Royal and purchase some of their stuff. Later.